everybody! How's everyone doing? So today I'm going to do my Ipsy Glam bag video for the month of April. I got it yesterday. Listen guys, I couldn't keep the items in this bag a secret to myself. I am horrible at that. I couldn't help myself, so I already know what's in it, and I kind of opened it and I already have one on my face. But let's get started. If you enjoy watching Ipsy Glam bag videos, just continue watching. So starting with the bag, any of the other items that aren't in this month's bag, I'm going to use previous items from the past Ipsy bags to do my face. All right, so inside this cute little bag right here, I thought this was gonna be like metal, but it's not. It's like a wood situation. It's so cute though. It's like little fairies, so cute. And then this is the card it comes with. I'm so glad they came out with this card. Before I was like, I had to go on the website or go on the app, and I didn't know what was the stuff and how much it costs, and you know, if it was worth it. I had to Googify it.
Googify it, yes. It's a word, not a word.
So, starting off with the first item that I put on my face already is the Youth to the People Superberry Hydrate and Glow Dream Mask. So it's like this. It's so cute. It smells really nice. Like at first when you put it, you open it up, you don't smell anything. It smells like, you know, a cream, you know? But when you put it on and you're spreading it, you smell that hint of citrus in it. Very small, very. So for people that are sensitive to smell, I think this should be okay for you guys. It was very nice. It wasn't so thick. I didn't lather it too much because, you know, I just wanted a nice hydration to put on underneath my makeup. And it did pretty well. So let's see if it hydrates and glows. I'm going to start off with concealer. So I haven't gotten a concealer from Ipsy. So I'm going to use the Colourpop No Filter Concealer on my face. I'm going to put it on my eyelid. You know, guys, I try to always start with my face, my eye makeup. All right. So now I'm done with concealer. I'm going to use the CHELLA Hello Beautiful La Vie Neutral Palette. Yeah. I got this from like a couple of months ago. Ooh, sorry. I got this from a couple of months ago. It's really pretty. And I'm going to put that on my face. And you guys already know I'm going to use my favorite brush. I'm going to use the Transitions shade first. So, I'm gonna use the next shade also with my next product that I got from this month's Ipsy bag, which is the ARACELI Chiquita blending brush. All right, so I'm gonna take this dark shade and put that in my outer corner. I'm gonna get my, the first brush I use, and I'm gonna not put any more product on it, and I'm just gonna use what's there just to blend everything. All right. Now I'm gonna use this gold shade. I'm gonna use that on the lid because I'm gonna use this on my inner corner. So I'm gonna use this one on the lid with I'm gonna use this one on the lid with a flatter brush. All right, so I'm gonna grab this lighter shade. It's very glittery. You can't see. It's not glittery. It's satin like shimmer. And I'm gonna wipe down that flat brush I was using. And I'm gonna grab it and put it on my brow bone. And I'll be a little bit more subtle there because I don't want anything crazy on my brow bone. I just want it where like it moves, it shines. But my inner corner, I want that to shine, baby. So I'm gonna use that with my finger. Now let's go with foundation. So for foundation, I'm gonna use the Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation. This I did not get in my Ipsy bag this month. I actually, because of the small one, I actually got the bigger size. This one is in Y225. It's a little lighter. This one is Y245. I got matched to this one. So this one's a little lighter, but it still works out. Okay guys, so with concealer, I haven't gotten a concealer from Ipsy yet, so I'm gonna use my Colourpop No Filter Concealer in the color Light 18. Yeah, Light 18. I'm gonna put that on my eyes and blend it out. So to set the concealer, I'm going to use this Manna Kadar Beauty Flawless Finish Dual Powder in C3 Flawless Linen. I got this a while back ago. As you can see, you can't even see what it's what it says in the front, but I'm gonna use that to set my under eye. I'm gonna grab some from my sponge. This is the Eco 2 sponge. All right, so let's continue with bronzer, which is from the past Ipsies. It's the XOXO, the Lisa Frank, when they did Lisa Frank, with Glamour Doll, Bitten bronzer, in matte. It's a matte bronzer. I'm gonna use my big fan brush. I love this brush for powdered bronzers, and I'm gonna just I'm gonna Okay, so the next product I'm going to use actually comes from this month's Ipsy bag. It is the Kaleido Cosmetics Skin Blush. It's talc free. It's vegan, cruelty free, phthalate free, and paraben free. It's a buildable blush formula, goes from subtle to bold with ease, and it's a skin perfecting blush, goes like powder and wears like seamless silk. I want that in my face. All right, and the color of it, it's gonna be in the back. It's Prima Donna. Ooh, it's sheen. Very pretty. And I like to put a little bit on my nose. And just blend it with the rest of my face too. Bring some color back to my face. All right, so now for highlight. This highlight I got from my previous bag. It is from Ciate London in Moon Dust. And it came in like this, in this little individual. So I'm grabbing my highlighter sponge and I'm gonna highlighter brush. And this, you do not need a lot. You need very little because it is very, very pigmented, if you can see. Put a little. And we're almost done, guys. We're gonna go with a lip liner. And this is a lip liner I used in a past video. But I did get it from Ipsy. It's the Contour Cosmetics lip liner in Juju.
Hey, Juju.
Juju is one of my sister-in-laws. And now we're gonna go with lipstick, which actually I got this month. It is from Lovecraft Beauty. It is, let me check the card. It is the Lovecraft Beauty lipstick in Fausta. And I'm going to put that on my lips. Doesn't this remind you guys of Velvet Teddy from MAC? It's very pretty. All right, let me put this on my lips. It's very comfortable. Smells very chemically, but it's comfortable. All right, guys, so I'm done with my face, but there's one more product from this month's bag that I got, which is a hand cream. It is from GOLDFADEN MD, Solution Hands to Heart, Anti-Aging, Brightening, and Hand Treatment. Like that. Looks like that. It is a multitasking cream that makes dry, dull hands a distant memory for good. This potent formula soaks in fast and treats hands to a dose of hydration, hyaluronic acid, and skin brightening, retinol, and niacinamide. So I'm going to put some of that on my hands because nowadays, guys, with all this cleaning and sanitizing and washing your hands, everybody needs some moisture in their hands. So I'm going to put some of that on. And also, it has a nice citrus smell. I think all these like anti-aging, brightening, not anti-aging, brightening things have like a citrus smell. It's so good. All right, so that is it for this video. I hoped you liked it. I hope you want to see more of these Ipsy Glam videos. Tell me if you like this way where I use past Ipsy bag video products with this month's to do a full face, just to give you guys an idea on how you could use all the products that you've gotten from your Ipsy bags. Give me a comment down below if you have any suggestions for any new videos. Like this video so that you can see more of them, and also click the bell so that you can also get notifications for any new videos that are coming up. Again, subscribe, and I hope to see you guys next time. Bye!